I'll be trading the Euro Yen and the USD Yen. If you can only trade one, the Euro Yen's probably the better one to trade. At least it's been the more consistent mover, historically speaking. Personally, I'm trading the USD Yen and the Euro Yen. I have a little more biased to the Euro Yen as far as my position goes. I've got a quarter of my position on the USD Yen and 3/4 of it on the Euro Yen. If I get triggered in both of these, I'm only going to focus on the Euro Yen. I'm going to let the manage take profit manage the USD Yen. I have a very conservative target on it of only 12. So I'm only looking to pull 12 points out of the market on the USD Yen. The Euro Yen, once I hit my first manage take profit target, I'll probably manually manage it from there on out. Trading success comes with clarity of the mind. You definitely don't want to be clouded up. About 5 seconds or so to go. Keep a good eye on your spread. All right, so it hit our trigger, and as I said, if we don't get a move fairly quickly, so the Euro Yen's looking pretty decent, but not moving as fast as I would like it to. However, it is moving, so we're going to give it a second to breathe here. All right, my stops are in place on both currency pairs. Everything's in agreement, so that's a good sign. All right, I've taken out my first position on the Euro Yen. You can see it's manually been taken out, and my stops are in place. The USD Yen is pushing up, so we're getting near our first target on the USD Yen as well. All right, I'm out of the USD Yen. As you can see, the little arrow kicked me out of the USD Yen. My second position is still in the Euro Yen. I'm going to turn off my expert advisors to manage this trade manually now. We did get a break of that level, which is a good thing. And we're going to encounter some support or some resistance right at the 0.2 level, and again up at the 13 level. So we're coming off the Euro Yen here, but still kind of hanging there. Give it a second. The majority of my Euro Yen has been closed out. I've got one, basically a quarter of the position left in the Euro Yen. So what I'm going to do is just let this go and give it a chance. So far, this trade's gone pretty well as expected. You saw the USD Yen didn't move quite as far as the Euro Yen. The Euro Yen hit our target, quite a bit before the USD Yen hit the target, and the USD Yen was a much closer target. So again, so far things have gone as expected, and closed out of the majority of our Euro Yen position. And right now we're just going to kind of hold on here, and if it comes back and stops us out, as you can see, I am locked in. I've set my stop with the managed take profit to set my stop, so that I'm not going to lose anything now. And we're just going to give it a chance and see if it'll run. If not, then we'll take our other profits and be happy with that.